In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide with Google Docs, a powerful tool for creating and sharing documents, spreadsheets, and presentations with ease. Whether you're new to Google Docs or just looking to brush up on your skills, this guide will walk you through a simple process. So let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by opening a Google Sheet. If you're unfamiliar, a Google Sheet is much like what you may know as an Excel spreadsheet. To open one, navigate to docs.google.com and select blank to start a new spreadsheet. If you already have a sheet prepared that you wish to work on, proceed to open that instead. Once you have your Google Sheet ready, you're going to click on cell A1. If you're wondering why cell A1 is important, let me explain. In spreadsheets, cell A1 is often used as a starting point because it's the very first cell in the top left corner and serves as a great spot to begin entering data or formulas. With cell A1 highlighted, you're going to type in the following formula, equals array formula, open curly braces, sheet 2, exclamation mark A6, colon H16, semicolon, sheet 3, exclamation mark A3, colon H16, close curly braces. This formula is pretty nifty. It allows you to combine data from multiple sheets into a single cell, which can be extremely useful if you're working with large data sets. Specifically, this formula pulls in data from a range of cells on both Sheet 2 and Sheet 3, effectively consolidating the data into one view. Now, a little tip here, always double-check the references in your formula. If your sheet names or cell ranges differ, make sure to adjust them accordingly in the formula so you avoid any errors. Mistakes in cell references are quite common, especially if these sheets undergo modifications later. After entering the formula, the next step is simply to hit the Enter key. And voila, just like that, your Google Sheet should populate cell A1 with the data derived from the specified ranges in Sheet 2 and Sheet 3. Give yourself a moment to check that the data populated correctly, and if everything looks good, you're done. That wraps up our guide on how to use Google Docs to manage data across multiple sheets. By mastering this simple formula, you've unlocked a powerful way to streamline your data management, which can be especially beneficial for business reporting or personal projects. I hope you found this walkthrough clear and informative. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take some time to explore these functions further on your own. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. See you next time.